descended, and the
What is
age
it?
became
What do you
9.
want?
You walked among us, great Talos. It's gone.
It doesn't cost. What do you want?
Man! But you were once man.
He's got the right idea. The people need to know. The only problem is he's way off topic. I'll bet you a bottle of meat that he won't see this coming.
Trust in me, Whiterun. Trust in Heimskr. I alone have been anointed by the Ninth.
Yes, sir.
Hear me! Oh, wait. That's not right. Hear me!
Yes.
Much better. People of Whiterun, hear me! I am here to deliver a mighty important message to you all, to assist you in giving praise.
Give
Praise.
praise.
Of course.
To admit to your love.
I love.
Unlike this false prophet who does this for his own self.
I do this for you.
Yes, his own self. Let it be known. Let us both admit and confess our sins.
The ugly truth.
Dare you say you did not harm a single Skeever during your lifetime? Dare you say their eyes do not haunt your dreams? A slight glimmer of sadness or a single tear must shed and fall on your cheek. They live among us, though they usually walk beneath us, but they are no less than you and I. They should live with us.
By the gods, no. Ha!
I thought it
We
was finally
confess
going
our
to be
love,
a quiet
fluffy
day.
ones. We confess our duty to protect you, you cuddling soft meats. We acknowledge your equal existence and superiority to the mudcrabs and wolves that plague our lands. Today will be the day we open our doors to you.
But what
I
of
have
tomorrow?
no words.
What then?
Today, I say, will be the day. What more proof shall you seek before you open your eyes? Have you not heard of the kinship between Corpulus Venus and his pet? Many who pass the doors of the winking Skeever in solitude know of this truth. Why should you seal your ears? We all know of the famous children's Skeever rhyme. We all know the words. We can all chant them. But do we listen to them? Do you live your life by them?
You're pushing your luck.
Hooray! Hear me, people of Skyrim. Chant with me. Your fur you shed, but share my bed. In the light of night, in the shine of day. Protecting from even small insects and bugs. To you I give dinner, without you I'm sad. A pet and a wink, no more shall we ask. Our favorite pet, our cuddles and hugs. Aye, it is sad to remember the words you have forgotten, and the promise you've made. It's not too late, my friends. Repledge your sincerity, fulfill your trust, harm not thy Skeever friends.
Finally. I got stuff to do, you know.
Well, I did my part. Very heartwarming. Very interesting. Oh, thank you. I did my best to reach as many ears as I could. I appreciate your compliment. It's okay. Don't make little of your support for me. I appreciate it.